Mama, can clouds move? But I don't. The cars are moving too. Try. Because the in the mall. It's our old one. Yeah, wait, I try to escape ba? Like that incident happened. I don't know how did it happen. I think 1 billion years ago because I couldn't escape. Man, did you remember that the old Rimbings ones? I tried to escape. Remember the God with the church where there's dead stuff? With grave ba? I was trying to escape the grave. Yeah, when I was a kid. Remember the old? Remember that. Wow. I'm not imagining it. I'm not imagining. Just please trust me. I'm not lying. What? I'm not lying. God see it so that Mama, when we escape, you're going to hell because you were lying too.
Mom, Mom, Dad lied. Remember last night he said when we get junk foods. When Dad was here,
Yeah, he promised to stay here.
he promised he will go sa tomorrow drive. But he lied. And come back.
Incident control. Are you alone in this game?
Yep.
Oy,
Dapat to Gcash.
hindi.
Lang.
Ayan, offended. When you're yellow, you're offended.
Yep. See, that's a Balkan fry. It literally explodes.
I thought it explodes too. Broken current, violet. Broken current. many did we have, Mama? Huh? We have a hat? We have a hat at Kuan, Oyaw? Oh. What for, Ori? 1 for? Big na? Oh, okay. Why did you give that to Suker, Ori? You waste your money. You wasted your money like 1 million times. You wasted your money like 2 million times. Snacks! Yeah, he buys snacks actually. Huh? What? Snacks? Why? Because we're gonna
And help us. And she helped me when in August 14, 2022, where I got that big salmon. She make me play Roblox with her, so it's not boring. Playing with friends is awesome.
play alone is bad because you're playing alone, Nazi.
I know, but I just want to grind for my video.
Never. Are you unlock sawblade taken? Wait, did you unlock him?
Not yet.
Be quiet, man. You can't go in here. Even if it did, our fire would be gone. Oh, Robinsons! Was that Robinsons? The old Robinsons? Oh. Hey, remember we go here? Yeah. What's this thing?
Aziz, topic Aziz.
What?
Part 2 commission.